Hi, welcome to our next episode devoted to marketing knowledge on Questus channel. This time, after the series about marketing mix and marketing 7P, we would like to discuss a concept that presents marketing instruments in a slightly different way: marketing 4C. In today's video, you will learn: why does it make sense to replace the letter P with the letter C in marketing? What does marketing mix mean for the client, and how to plan organization's activities according to its principles? In what ways is 4C related to the classic 4P concept, and why is it only the combination of both that can give us the best results? So here we go. The classic 4P marketing, product, price, place, and promotion, has been the foundation of marketing strategies for many years. Over time, as the service sector had grown, 4P expanded to 7P, introducing people, process, and physical evidence. However, it's worth observing that both 4P and 7P concepts evaluate marketing instruments from the point of view of the company and not the customer. That's why in 1990, Robert Lottebohm developed 4C marketing, which included the same elements as the classic 4P but seen from the consumer's point of view. The 4C marketing model consists of the following elements. The first is the customer. It is the customer's needs, motivations, and goals that are of the greatest interest to the marketer. The marketer's task is to discover them, which requires a shift of emphasis to marketing research. Therefore, the product from the 4P concept becomes less important than conducting a research in the market. The second element of the model is the cost. It is a price for a product or service, but seen from the customer's perspective, as a cost they have to bear in order to make a purchase, not as a sum of money the company will earn. Moreover, here the term cost covers much more than just the financial aspect. It is also the time that the customer has to spend on purchasing, transporting, ordering goods online, or any risks that the transaction may entail. The third element is convenience. It is about looking at the aspect of product distribution through the eyes of the clients, aiming to make a given product or service available for them in the most convenient place and time. It also means giving the clients easy-to-access information about the product, for example on a well-functioning website, in catalogs, or on social media. The last C in this model stands for communication, which is the equivalent of promotion in the 4P concept. In 4C marketing, the company shifts emphasis from merely informing clients about the product to building a deeper relationship with them via communication activities. This is achieved by maintaining activity on social media, content marketing, or various activities that create customer experience. The 4C concept seems very promising, doesn't it? However, we need to remember that we should only treat it as an extension or an alternative approach to the marketing instruments we already know. 4C and 4P concepts can work in synergy if we confront them together. Then, all modifications to the product will be based on research and analysis of consumers' needs. Distribution will be adjusted to their habits, and brand communication will not resemble a one-sided advertising monologue, but rather an attempt to build a long-term relationship with the customer. In conclusion, from today's video, we've learned that in modern marketing, it is sometimes worth to look at the world through the eyes of the customers and consider their emotions, needs, and motivations. We've got to know the components of the 4C concept: customer, cost, convenience, and communication. We've also learned that it is worth to combine different approaches to marketing mix to achieve marketing goals in a more effective way. Thank you very much for your attention. We strongly encourage you to check out other videos on our channel about concepts such as marketing mix, marketing analysis, or BGC matrix. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Questus channel so you don't miss out on more content from us.